When we designed and installed the audio visual system here at 15 Hatfields, the main thing for us was that it had to be extremely functional but fully flexible, as is the space. So in this space here, it can be divided up into multiple rooms for multiple conferences, breakout rooms, or one large space. So the way that we designed the system, there are 12 HDMI inputs on the floor. The whole system's HDMI, fully HD with HD base T. And you can plug into any of those inputs and route to any of the screens. You can see the routing system here on the screen behind me. And the audio works much the same way. There are 24 microphone or line inputs in the floor, and you can route that to any of the rooms, and also external recording or hybrid systems. And by designing and building the system that way, it means that now with hybrid technologies, for example, changing, and now more people using things like Zoom and Teams, we're already set up in order to just be able to bring in external equipment, patch it in, and reconfigure at the touch of a button. They're fully flexible, fully functional, and built in so it's 100% reliable. And of course, you don't need to transport equipment in and out of London.